Welcome to our roundup of the best electric car jacks available right now. Whether you're upgrading your roadside emergency kit or want a faster, safer way to lift your vehicle, these electric and hydraulic jacks offer convenience, stability, and dependable lifting power. We'll break down key features such as lifting capacity, height range, motor strength, speed, and overall durability to help you choose the perfect model for your needs. All 5 picks come with strong performance and user-friendly controls that make tire changes and repairs smoother than ever. Check the description for updated deals, and let's dive in. The first on the list is the Succubi 5T hydraulic jack. The powerful 5-ton capacity, fast hydraulic lifting system, and sturdy all-steel build make this hydraulic jack one of the strongest options in its class. Designed for heavy vehicles such as SUVs, vans, and trucks, it offers dependable performance during roadside emergencies or garage use. With a lifting range that accommodates high-clearance vehicles, it ensures smooth stability and quick lift engagement, even on uneven ground. The built-in safety valve prevents overloading, protecting both the jack and your vehicle. It also includes a compact wired controller, allowing you to raise or lower the jack without touching the base directly. Thanks to its integrated LED working light, nighttime tire changes become much safer and more manageable. The heavy-duty motor lifts vehicles quickly, reducing downtime and physical effort. Overall, this Succubi model is built for users who need a truly robust hydraulic jack for demanding conditions and frequent use. Next up is the doped 5-ton electric floor jack. With 5-ton lifting strength, a reliable 12-volt power system, and a multifunction design, this doped jack is ideal for drivers who want both power and convenience. It connects directly to your vehicle's cigarette lighter or battery clamps, making it perfect for on-the-go emergencies. The electric motor raises your vehicle quickly with minimal effort, and the included wired controller makes operation simple and safe. Its built-in safety mechanism automatically stops when the jack reaches its maximum height, preventing overextension. The reinforced steel construction provides excellent durability, while the wide base ensures stability on different surfaces. It also comes with an integrated LED light, allowing you to work confidently at night or in low-visibility situations. Overall, this doped model combines speed, safety, and versatility, making it a dependable choice for car owners and travelers. Next is the Succubi electric car jack. Featuring a high-capacity 3-ton lift, quick electric raising function, and rugged steel frame, this Succubi jack is designed for effortless roadside operation. It runs on a 12-volt power source, allowing you to lift your car with just the press of a button, eliminating the strain of manual jacking. Whether you drive a sedan, crossover, or lightweight SUV, the motor delivers smooth and stable lifting performance. The built-in safety stop prevents the jack from exceeding its limit, providing extra protection during use. The wide base and non-slip saddle keep your vehicle secure while lifting, even on angled or rough terrain. An integrated LED light helps illuminate tire bolts and working areas during nighttime emergencies. The included plastic case makes storage easy and ensures the jack stays clean and protected in your trunk. Overall, this Succubi electric jack is a smart choice for fast, hassle-free tire changes and routine roadside assistance. Next up is the Wallfront 3-ton electric jack. Built with a solid 3-ton lifting capacity, a stable wide-footed base, and a reliable 12-volt motor, this Wallfront jack is perfect for small to medium vehicles. It connects easily through your car's cigarette lighter or battery clips, offering quick lifting without physical effort. With a smooth motorized action, it raises your vehicle fast enough for emergency tire replacements, yet safely enough to avoid sudden movement. The reinforced steel structure provides stability and long-term durability, even with frequent use. What makes this model especially useful is its included impact wrench set, turning flat tire situations into a simple process. Its built-in LED light gives excellent visibility when working at night. The compact case stores all tools neatly, making it easy to carry in your trunk. Overall, the Wallfront 3-ton jack offers strong performance, ease of use, and dependable features for daily drivers. The last one on our list is the Fovao ZSTT03 electric jack. Delivering 3-ton lifting power, a fast electric motor system, and an advanced safety lock, the Fovao ZSTT03 is a well-rounded electric jack designed for efficiency. It plugs into any 12-volt power source and lifts your vehicle smoothly with its responsive control system. The unit features a reinforced screw rod mechanism that ensures stable lifting performance, reducing shaking and improving safety. The all-steel frame adds strength, while the non-slip base and saddle improve grip during operation. A built-in LED light makes low-light repairs safer, and the included carry box keeps all accessories organized for quick roadside access. Many users appreciate how compact and lightweight it is compared to hydraulic models, yet still strong enough for sedans and small SUVs. Overall, the Fovao jack is a practical, dependable, and user-friendly option for drivers who want fast tire changes without the bulk of heavy hydraulic equipment. So that wraps up our list of the best electric car jacks. If this guide helped you choose the right lifting tool, hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful product reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and stay prepared on the road.